Wales is home to some of the most special and beautiful landscapes in the UK.
Mae arfordiroedd Ynys Môn, Llŷn, Gwyr a Sir Benfro
I frynnau Tonog, Dyffryn Gwy, a brynnau Clwyd a Dyffryn Dyfrdwy.
To the enduring hills and mountains of Eryri and Banau Brycheiniog.
These designated landscapes are not just places of beauty. They are vital for our biodiversity, our communities and the future of our planet.
Mae'r 5 tirwedd cenedlaethol a'r 3 pharc cenedlaethol yng Nghymru wedi sefydlu partneriaeth gydweithio o'r enw Tirweddau Cymru.
The family of 8 designated landscapes are recognised for their outstanding natural beauty and special qualities.
Across these designated landscapes, the Welsh Government, through the Sustainable Landscapes, Sustainable Places Fund, is supporting critical projects.
Gyda'r nod o ddiogelu natur, hyrwyddo cynaladwyedd a mynd i'r afal a newid hinsawdd.
It's about working together for the benefit of Wales, securing long-term resilience for our landscapes and for our communities.
From restoring peatlands to growing and planting native trees, Wales is working to recover and protect its unique biodiversity.
Designated landscapes are empowering communities to reduce their carbon footprints, supporting them to reduce their energy usage and install community renewable energy projects to help decarbonise their communities.
Welsh Government is ensuring the varying landscapes are there for all.
Fostering resilient communities through green spaces, allotments and sustainable tourism.
Sustainable tourism projects are enhancing visitor facilities, improving access to landscapes and protecting our natural cultural heritage.
The work being done across Wales's designated landscapes will have a lasting impact.
Ensuring these precious areas remain vibrant, accessible and resilient
For now and for generations to come.
Wales is a nation of landscapes, rich, resilient and teeming with life.
Diolch i weledigaeth y cymunedau lleol, ymroddiad staff y tirweddau dynodedig a chefnogaeth Llywodraeth Cymru, mi oedd dyfodol y tirweddau erioed mor ddisglair.
This is just the beginning. Together, we're building a future where our landscapes thrive, communities are connected to our landscapes and are flourishing.
Our landscapes are for everyone, for us to enjoy now and for generations to come.
Be part of the change. Get involved. Visit Landscapes Wales.